YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel and welcome back to the limo. So my family has not been in the limo yet. My wife thinks that she's gonna drive it and she thinks it's gonna be awesome. What do you guys think?
Yay!
Huh?
Yay!
My wife can't even get the door open. Hey guys, we gotta get your seat in here, baby.
I like it.
Are you pumped or what? Okay, Amelia, you gotta get in your car seat.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Yes,
You're
King.
gonna drive this hot rod?
I'm
Hopefully
ready.
it starts. Okay, so she thinks she's just gonna be all down to drive this thing.
I'm ready.
What do you think?
Let's go.
Mom's gonna crash this rig if
No.
you get pulled over.
What happened?
I don't know.
I don't. What do I say?
Should we go downtown and do some horn honking?
Yeah.
Should we do some pranking?
I don't want to be
Got it?
responsible for people hating.
Gotta see
I'm
Mom.
stopping. I'm totally stopping.
Weird.
Oh my god. It's probably a good thing that you have a horn so they can get out of your way when it doesn't stop.
I've never had a problem.
They're gonna think that the train, like a
Here we
train
go.
is coming to.
I wish I had. Oh great, I got a green. No, everyone's just gonna. Hello.
Why are you embarrassed? It's awesome.
Have you ever seen Uncle Buck, the movie Uncle Buck? When he goes and picks up his like nieces and it's like a big boat, like a Buick. That's what I feel like.
I don't know if I'd take the highway. Just because the wheel's gonna fall off, I'd rather not with the whole family. Why are you embarrassed?
I don't know.
Why are you embarrassed?
Why didn't I wear a hood? Oh my god! Oh my god! Don't do that. Oh god.
Bye.
So embarrassed.
Why are you embarrassed? This thing is so sweet. Look at all these people. Look at them all staring at the...
Babe! You scared them! You scared them!
They don't even know where it's coming from. They're like, where's the semi?
Okay, we stick out like a friggin' sore throat.
How do you figure? I would get groceries in this thing. You could go by yourself and get groceries.
Yeah, by myself.
You would not.
Yeah, I would.
I guarantee you wouldn't.
Yeah, I would. Yeah,
I'll go with you. I'll just ride in the back.
that's fine.
They see me rolling. Are you waving?
He waved at me.
So are you gonna take on downtown?
Yeah, don't honk the horn.
Should we honk the horn?
Yes.
Yes. The kids say yes. For sure, for sure?
No.
Yes, Mom.
Yes.
No! Ah! Sorry, ma'am.
Watch your people walking. Oh, look at. They're on rollerblades.
Should I?
Yeah, baby, do it. If you're a G,
Am I a gangsta?
hang on, right here. See how fun it is?
Her poor face. Oh my god.
She almost fell off her rollerblades.
I feel so bad. Oh god. Sir, I don't have brakes, sir.
Oh, what is this person doing? You're fine.
Oh my god.
What are they doing?
They're just getting a break.
What is happening here?
Here you go, sir.
Oh my god, hit him, give him the horn, babe. Give him the horn.
Right now? No, I can't.
Oh, babe, you missed out. Give these to it. Oh. Why are you embarrassed?
Because, babe.
Let's go. Let's
You should be
go
proud.
to McDonald's. Yeah.
Give Agave a showing. Give it a go. It's so loud. So loud. Oh, don't worry.
Ah, you just scared me. The guy was laughing. I can't. I just need to go.
Let's go get the huts.
Oh my god.
And I got at Pier 500. I might go sit in the back. So you're up here by yourself?
No, don't leave me. I can't stop.
Yeah, you gotta
I
push
can't
hard.
stop.
Our trunk's open.
No?
Yeah. There's people in the crosswalk.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Give these kids a give it.
It's sweating.
Well, this lady might die.
Okay, so don't do it.
No, you can. No.
Going hasta second.
I told you how much fun it is. You're like,
I can't.
I hate that thing.
Why do you have your name all plastered all over?
So they can follow us.
No, they're going to send you.
Hate mail?
Yes.
Well, it's not like we're killing people.
Oh no, they're too little. They have a baby. Don't.
And a
even think
dog. The
about
dog
it.
would freak out.
This guy almost ran.
Yeah,
He was
no.
just staring.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a baby.
We have a heart. Like we would not do that.
Let's go back and get him.
Okay.
Let's see what Grady's in. I think he needs us to stop back by him.
Nuh-uh. I can't do that again, babe. I can't do that again.
One more time.
Really?
You have to. Grady's mad.
Why?
Because you didn't honk.
Oh, I'm sweating. God, I have to wear like a hat and like sunglasses. The kids are back there. Do it!
They're your biggest supporter.
Should I do it, Mila?
With Grady.
Should we scare Grady? Hello.
Hang on. Oh, goodness,
No?
there's people. No, not yet. They're right in the window. Careful, they might die. Hold on, go a little further. Hey. Man,
Okay,
down.
I'm not doing that anymore. No, Mila.
See, the kids want it. Do it again. Do it again. You gotta wait till you're driving. You can't.
Well,
you
you
can't
have
do
to-
it when
you
you're
have to-
stopped. You gotta have a.
Do it.
You gotta wait till you start driving. Look at these ones. These ones want it.
Okay. I just need
Once you
a
get
little
once you get
look
across.
down.
Yeah. Well, you scared?
Yes. I'm out. We're out.
Fine.
We'll go through
Take a right.
Stillwater.
Dang. That's the attitude.
No?
Hang on.
Do it again.
Oh man, Stillwater's busy. Someone's gonna totally jump on our hood.
Oh yeah. Okay, baby, get ready. Ready?
Hang on, you can do it right next to him?
Yep. One.
Hang on,
Oh
hang
no,
on.
I can't, baby.
Why?
I'm stopping.
Oh man.
Can't do it, babe. We're stopped everywhere. I have to do it when we're taking off. Should I give it a little love tap?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Just a train coming through. Come on, guys, go. I'm gonna do it right here, babe. Okay?
Hey, you do it at the intersection?
Yeah, but
Hang
oh
on.
no!
Oh no, there's cops. Yeah,
Okay.
don't do it.
Oh my God, babe! I almost got arrested. I would have killed you.
Oh my gosh. I wonder what the legality is.
Probably put me in jail.
Sorry, I'll take the kids home. Are you making a pass back and coming down it again or going like a different direction?
I don't know now. Right now?
These guys would like it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. He hates me. Right, babe.
Which one? These
Right,
two?
these guys.
Oh no, we're not gonna be able to see them.
No, I can't give it the business.
Oh, got him.
Okay, I'm gonna get arrested. We gotta go. We gotta get out of Minnesota.
You're gonna get a criminal record.
This guy in front of me hates me. Sorry. Okay, no more. can't go back around. We have to take a different way.
Yeah.
So, the stupid purple car is coming through downtown Stillwater again. Right there, babe. See, I waste my horn. Puppies, children, old people.
Oh, it depends on the age of the child.
Well, I say 3 and under.
Yeah. Give it up.
I hate myself. I'm so sorry. They're screaming at us.
I know, but there's cops everywhere.
Okay, so at this is the last light, and I'm just gonna. There's a lot of people.
Yeah, make sure we're not stuck at a light so someone can't jump through our windshield.
We have children. We're doing hood rat things with our children.
I'll make a shirt. Oh, that's dog and kids.
Oh, wait, okay. Here we go.
Those are babies. Not yet. Get past here.
There's no
Get these ones up here.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, those are good ones.
Okay, ready? Are you sure they're not old?
Yeah.
This guy, I can't. Okay, ready? Are you sure they're not old? Can you flick this up?
No.
We're out of here. We gotta go.
A family that HornBlasters together stays together.
Oh, we're gonna get murdered.
Is everyone outside? Oh yeah. You can give these ones the business. Yeah, buddy.
I almost ran into that Cadillac.
Oh my gosh, if you hit a parked car while we're honking.
Okay, we're done. That was a close call. I went to the other lane.
Wait, you almost hit an oncoming car?
Yeah!
Oh, dang, queen.
Not impressed. She was not impressed.
Oh! What's up, kids?
God, I look like a friggin' loser.
Where are we going, Cruz?
McDonald's.
We're gonna hit the drive-thru?
Yes.
And mom's driving?
Oh, I don't even know how to roll down the window, babe.
Oh, you gotta, it's the little switches on your door.
On my door?
Yeah, you'll see.
One is
There's
open,
4 of
one
them.
Stop going down.
You push down on the far left one.
I am.
No, you're on the wrong switch then. There's 4 black switches.
Oh, that's that one.
Did you press the button?
Yeah, but it's not doing anything.
Did it come on now?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I don't know how to roll down my window.
You'll get it.
No, babe.
It's the black buttons. There's 4. It's the far left one. Push it down.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I please get 2 small McFlurries, 4 number 30?
Look at Mom's by herself.
They're gonna.
Oh my God, I feel so stupid. Oh
Why
my
do you
God.
feel stupid?
I feel so stupid.
What? Because we're in the back?
I feel like a loser.
Hit the horns.
No.
No.
Okay.
See, don't turn too sharp. You have to
Babe,
wait around.
you think I don't have my driver's license?
Give it to her, babe.
No. I'm not gonna give it to no one.
All right, my wife is officially an absolute gangster.
It's like we robbed a bank. Let's go!
We're so loud.
Is there anybody in my blind spot? Am I good to go? Am I good to go? Hello?
Yeah, you're good.
Ah! The car feels like it's gonna break. Ah! Is there anybody in my blind spot? Hello. Hello, I'm here. Hello, I'm here. Hi. Coming in hot. I should tell the semi driver to go like this and we can do like a horn off. You need to do that. I won't do that, but you need to do it.
Oh my gosh, so I have not laughed that hard in like a long time. So my wife ended up driving all night. We went out to dinner. We went through downtown Hudson, downtown Stillwater. She is obsessed. I tried to tell her all of this stuff about how much fun it was, and she just didn't understand. She understands now. I'm so freaking proud of her. What'd you think, babe?
Those amaze balls.
See? You see why it's so much fun? Nice work, babe. Alright, guys. That's it. Order some merch so we can keep doing good red stuff. Peace.